This video will show you how to use the Novelist database to find books you'll love. From the What Should I Read LibGuide, you'll see a box with links to two different versions of Novelist Plus. One is the K-8 version, and the other is the full version, which includes books for children as well as adults. Novelist is a database that the library subscribes to, which means it will ask you for a password. All of our database passwords are available from the Quick Links box on every LibGuide. Once you've logged into Novelist, you have several different ways to search for books. Choose the age range you're interested in: books for adults, teens, ages 9 through 12, or 0 through 8. Look down the page and you can browse a themed book list or an entire genre. Or click on a genre in the left-hand column and you'll see several themed lists to choose from. Novelist is focused more on fiction, but they do have nonfiction lists too. Let's look at the teen list. For fantasy and science fiction, we'll choose Unusual Academies. Click on any book, and you'll get a page with more information about it, including reviews and detailed descriptors about its genre, storyline, characters, subjects, and more. Look for the link that says Check the Library Catalog. If you click on this, it will search our library catalog in a new tab so you can see if we have the book. If we don't have it, please email a librarian to ask us to consider adding it. Requests from our patrons are very helpful in building our library collection. Back on the home page, you can also use the Appeal Mixer to search for books with certain characteristics. Maybe you like books that are funny and romantic, or books that are action-packed with complex characters. Mix 2 or 3 different descriptors together and see what you can come up with. Remember to check and see if our library owns the book, and if we don't and you think we should, you can ask us to order it. Novelist is a great tool for book lovers. Have fun exploring!